Okay, so these problems are a lot tougher. The worksheet that follows, like the worksheet that this link is in, is moles to mass. So we're converting substances from moles to mass. And this reaction is already balanced. So that's kind of like your first step, is to balance it. The second step is put your info in. Okay, so what do we know? What are we trying to solve? How many grams of SO3? So I'm going to go question mark grams. We'll react with 0.5418 moles of H2O. Okay, so we have 0.541 mole. The other thing that I need to do, as kind of like was stated in the videos hopefully you watched, is I need the molar mass of this substance. So this substance is SO3. I have 1 sulfur and 3 oxygens. Remember that 4 in front. That's useful for mole ratio, but that doesn't affect the molar mass. So I just need the molar mass of the stuff behind it. So I'm going to add up 1 sulfur, and sulfur on the periodic table has a molar mass of 3207, and 3 oxygens. That gives me a total molar mass of 8007. And that goes right here, 8007 grams per mole. Okay, so that's the first step. Put your stuff in. Second step. Find moles of required using R over G. So where are we going? Well, in this question, we're going from water, which we know, to the sulfur trioxide SO3, which we don't know. The thing with the question mark, the thing that like the how many grams part, the one that has the question mark, that's always our required. That's our required. The thing that we've been given is our given. So we're going to use our mole ratio formula. We're going to go 0.5418 mole. And we're going to times it by the required over given coefficient, which is 4 over 10. Now again, where am I getting those numbers from? Well, the required coefficient is 4. The given coefficient is 10. So I'm going to go in my calculator, 0.5418 times 4 divided by 10. And I get 0.21672 mole. Okay, that goes right here. That belongs to this thing. That belongs to the SO3. Okay, so that's our second step. The third step is use mole formula to find mass. Okay, so this is our last step, and the mole formula is number of moles is mass over molar mass. So the little m is mass, and the big M is molar mass. So we're going to times both sides by big M. Big M goes over there. Mass is equal to number of moles times molar mass. So we're going to use that number we just calculated, and we're going to times it by the molar mass that we calculated. And guess what? Once we do that, we're done because that solves for mass. 0.21672 times 8007. And that gets us 1735. So my pen kind of screwed up there, but the answer is 1735 grams. 0.216272 times 8007, 80.07.